I think we're going to see many different technologies coming together. I think the 3D models will integrate with machine learning approaches and predictive approaches so that we can actually apply them in an informed way for drug development. They're going to become more quantitative. We're going to see the assays become much more functional and the physiology of those organoids begin to emerge as properties in these systems. And as that occurs, it will pave the way towards regenerative tissues that can function at a rudimentary level and could be considered as replacement therapeutics. So we're at this wonderful time when all these technologies are coming together and creating new possibilities.
Absolutely therapeutic use. I think we will see organoids and spheroids being used in therapeutics. I think, as I said, we are the first company to do that, and I think we will not be the last. I think you will see more companies coming out and utilizing these organoids for a variety of chronic diseases. For example, diabetes, I know of several companies that are starting to work on it, and they most likely go through clinical trials at some point. But there's other organoids as well. There are companies working on hepatic organoids, companies working on bone marrow organoids, and we are working in the thymus area as well. So I think the field will expand and push through from an animal model side, replacing animal models, to going into therapeutic use. I think we will see that in the next 5 to 10 years.
I think one of the big impacts will be personalized medicine, so using spheroids and organoids to create models that are more similar to the actual patient than maybe an animal model or a 2D model. By creating personalized organoids from tissue that comes from the patient, we can test drugs and see, for instance, what kind of drug cocktail might be more efficacious for them, especially when we consider tumor biology.
I'm most excited to see, I think, is the continued scalability and utility and robustness that's being generated in 3D models today, but also to build on that. And really what that means is partnering with not only just academics like myself, but large pharmas, biotechs, and the industrial sectors that will take things from really concept, bench side, proof of principle, all the way through clinical development. And I think we're going to see it touch on more and more diseases. So for Blue Sky initiatives, I say we go after more human diseases, more animal diseases, and really just broadly apply this with AI and really complementary approaches.
It's more sophisticated models mimicking functionality. I think it's hooking up these models with microfluidics. The organ on a chip, I think, is going to be a big push, not only from the academic community, but from the industry community. And again, that really also helps eliminate the animal model usage that we talk about. And again, the whole goal, how can we make drug discovery faster and more effective? And then the use of these models will help all of that.
Yeah, so where I see 3D and organoids going is just continuing to build upon the complexity. The more we can better recapitulate what's going on in the body, the better information we're going to have and the better opportunities we're going to have to cure diseases.